We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Canon ImageClass 8580CDW. So first thing first, what you want to do is pull out your tray. You see these little blue things right here? There is a little top piece that goes over. This is going to be your max level indicator. You never want to fill over that. If you do, it could cause the paper too tight when the rollers pick it up, so that will definitely cause a jam. The next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your guides for the size of paper is the correct size. So make sure you have that correct. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and when you are adding your new paper to your old paper, go ahead and align it. Then fan it out. Sometimes condensation can cause the pages to stick together. Then your rollers will pick up more than one page, causing a paper jam. So go ahead and fan that out, realign it, then stick all the paper in there at one time. You don't want to put in old paper on top of new paper, because if you do and it's not aligned correctly, it can curl and then it'll cause a paper jam. So go ahead and align that, stick it in there. You should be good to go. If you're having any issues with jams and you're still doing all that stuff, go ahead and give us a call. It might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.